Hey guys, welcome back. All right, so the plug that I had here, right there, it was kind of old, and the lid was already broke. I thought it would last a lot longer than what it did, but I went to go unplug it today and ripped the daggone lid, or the lid. I don't know what happened, but the lid broke off of it, and so I got a new one. And I'm going to put it back in the same spot, but this time got a bracket, so hopefully that'll work a little bit better than what I had here, and it'll be more secured and everything like that. So that's what we're going to do right now. So I'm going to take this hole right here. I'm just going to put it right back where I had it. Seemed like the best place to have it for right now. I know I keep saying all this stuff is temporary, but I don't know if it's going to be temporary or not. And so we're just going to put it back where we had it. So there it is.
Same screws that he had last time too.
Yeah, I'm just going to reuse the same screws.
Which have the
I'm going to leave that a little bit loose there. Now this bracket is shorter than the bracket I had there, so I'm going to have to drill another hole.
Do you remember what size those screws are?
They're 10 millimeter. And there we go. There it is. And so now I'm going to put this guy on there. I went and got it. You can get it at O'Reilly or AutoZone. And it matches right up with the same plug that was there, which is really nice. Huh?
Is that where you got that one?
That's where I got this one, was from AutoZone. So it's really nice. Works out really well. And so it's got it says it works for Ford, GM, and Dodge. So before I bought this one, I took this one out and checked it to make sure that it was right. And it is right. So I'm going to put it just like that right there. And got some nifty little screws to go with it. And gonna put this sucker together real quick. And I'm probably gonna need to go find me a screwdriver and a ratchet maybe. So put them in on the corner so we can straighten it up and not have to worry about nothing. And continue on from there. So, all right. Well, while we're here, we got to show you Bobo. This is Bobo.
Bobo!
Bobo! Bobo! He is a ball of energy. Just a big old ball of energy.
Coming over to play to get rid of some of that energy.
Yeah, that's one of that's my sister's dog there, and he came over to get rid of some energy because he's been chewing on some rugs. So that ain't never good. So, and we're almost done. All right, found me a screwdriver. Here we go. All right. Just tighten these suckers on down. All right. I don't really know how tight you're supposed to make them. I guess just hand tight. It's got the little lock washer things on it. But I try not to tighten anything too tight because I have a tendency to break things.
It's a little bit.
So there we go, and it's all done.
Luckily, it just plugs right in.
This plugs right on in there.
Of course, it's easy since we don't have a bed on the truck.
There we go. And I guess that's how you install a trailer plug. All right, man. If y'all got any comments, questions, or whatever, hit me up. Y'all be good.